Did you know that by 2029, the global mobile phone case market is projected to hit a staggering $33.7 billion? If you've ever thought about starting your own online business, selling custom phone cases is a profitable way to tap into this growing market. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name's Ashraf and I'm a professionally qualified accountant in the UK who has had a large amount of success in the online money-making world in recent years, so stay tuned. In today's video, I'll break down the 7 easy steps to create and sell phone cases online, even if you're just a complete beginner. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or planning to build a full-time e-commerce business, you'll find everything you need right here. Let's dive in. Before jumping in, let's talk about niche selection. You don't want to sell generic cases like everyone else. You want to stand out. Whether it's cases featuring your favorite animal or eco-friendly options, use tools like Google Trend or SEMrush to figure out exactly which designs people are searching for and what's trending in the market. Take a look at bestsellers on Etsy or Amazon to analyze the competition. This is your chance to get creative and find a unique angle that speaks to your audience. Once you got your niche, you're ready for step 2. Building a brand is more than just slapping a name on a product. It's about creating a memorable experience for your customers. Pick a catchy name and create a brand identity that represents the vibe you want to give off. Are you going for sleek and sophisticated, or maybe quirky and playful? Think about how you want your customers to feel when they see your logo or visit your online store. Don't forget the visuals. Everything from your logo, color palette, font, and packaging should align with the personality of your brand. The goal: make it recognizable at first glance. Now that your brand is set, it's time to decide what type of phone cases to offer. Print-on-demand services like Printify makes this super easy, giving you access to a variety of case types like tough cases, perfect for people who need serious protection; slim cases, sleek and stylish for those who want minimal bulk; biodegradable cases for eco-conscious consumers; impact-resistant cases designed for maximum durability. Choose a mix that caters to different customer preferences. This variety will help you attract a broader audience. Now comes the fun part: designing your phone cases. You don't need to be a professional designer to create eye-catching designs. Printify offers design tools and even an AI image generator to help you create stunning mock-ups in minutes. Once you've got your design, you can use real-time previews to see exactly how it'll look on the case. Take your time to tweak your designs until they're just right, and then move on to the next step: selling them. Where should you sell your custom phone cases? Well, you've got options. If you want full control, consider setting up your own store on platforms like Shopify, Squarespace, or Wix. These platforms allow you to create a branded storefront that's all yours. If you want to tap into an existing marketplace with tons of traffic, consider listing your cases on platforms like Etsy or eBay. Just keep in mind, competition is fierce, so be sure your designs stand out. Pricing can make or break your business. You want to find that sweet spot where your cases are affordable for customers but still profitable for you. Here are 3 popular pricing strategies to consider. Value-based pricing. Charge based on what your customers are willing to pay. Cost plus pricing. Calculate your costs and add a markup to the set price. Competitor-based pricing. Look at how much cases are selling for and position your price accordingly. Don't forget to factor in shipping and other expenses to ensure you're making a profit. I've included in the description below a free calculator that can give you an accurate profit figure after all expenses for sales on Etsy. Once your store is live, it's time to market your phone cases. Here's how you can get started. Use platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok to showcase your designs and build an audience. Run targeted ads to reach potential buyers. Optimize your products listings with relevant keywords so they rank higher in search engine results. create a mailing list, and send updates, promotions, and abandoned cart emails to engage customers and drive more sales. Partner with influencers in your niche to expand your reach and build brand credibility. The sky's the limit when it comes to marketing. The more creative you are, the more visibility you'll get. And by the way, this isn't the only great idea that you can dig your teeth into right now. Why not start an ebook business that can guarantee you an income 24/7 without ever needing to ship out inventory or books? Click this video here and I'll show you exactly how to do it.